you know you are in debt and are looking for ways to create a debt management plan, come closer. Creating a debt management plan, DMP, is a crucial step towards financial stability and freedom. It involves assessing your current financial situation, setting realistic goals, and implementing strategies to reduce and eventually eliminate your debt. Here's a comprehensive guide on how to make an effective debt management plan in 2024. Number 1. Assess your financial situation. 1.1. List all debts. Credit cards include balances, interest rates, and minimum payments. Loans. List personal loans, student loans, auto loans, and mortgages with their respective balances, interest rates, and minimum payments. Other debts include any other debts, such as medical bills or unpaid taxes. 1.2. Calculate your total debt sum of balances. Add up all your debt balances to get the total amount owed. Monthly payments. Add up all your minimum monthly payments to understand your total monthly debt obligation. 1.3. Review your income and expenses. Income sources. List all sources of income, including salary, side hustles, and investments. Monthly expenses. Categorize and total your monthly expenses, distinguishing between essential, housing, utilities, groceries, and non-essential, entertainment, dining out. 2. Set realistic financial goals. 2.1. Short-term goals. Emergency fund. Aim to save at least $1,000 for unexpected expenses. Monthly debt reduction. Set a target for how much you want to reduce your debt each month. 2.2. Long-term goals. Debt-free timeline. Establish a realistic timeline for becoming debt-free. Financial milestones. Set milestones such as paying off a specific debt or reducing your overall debt by a certain percentage within a year. 3. Create a budget. 3.1. Allocate funds for essentials. Fixed expenses include rent, mortgage, utilities, insurance, and groceries. Variable expenses. Budget for variable expenses like transportation, clothing, and medical costs. 3.2. Identify areas to cut back non-essential spending. Reduce or eliminate expenses like dining out, subscriptions, and entertainment. Savings. Allocate a portion of your income to savings, even if it's a small amount. 3.3. Plan for debt repayment. Debt payments. Allocate funds for minimum payments and additional amounts towards your debt. Emergency fund. Continue to build your emergency fund alongside debt repayment. 4. Choose a debt repayment strategy. 4.1. Debt snowball method. Smallest debt first. Focus on paying off the smallest debt first while making minimum payments on others. Psychological boost. This method provides a psychological boost as you eliminate smaller debts quickly. 4.2. Debt avalanche method. Highest interest rate first. Focus on paying off the debt with the highest interest rate first while making minimum payments on others. Interest savings. This method saves money on interest payments over time. 4.3. Hybrid method combination. Combine both methods by paying off high-interest small balances first, then moving on to larger balances. Customization. Customize your approach based on your financial situation and preferences. 5. Negotiate with creditors. 5.1. Lower interest rates. Contact creditors. Call your creditors to negotiate lower interest rates or more favorable terms. Credit score impact. A lower interest rate can significantly reduce the amount you owe over time. 5.2. Debt settlement lump sum payment. Offer a lump sum payment that is less than the total amount owed in exchange for settling the debt. Professional help. Consider working with a debt settlement company if you are uncomfortable negotiating yourself. 6. Consolidate your debt. 6.1. Debt consolidation loans. Single payment. Combine multiple debts into a single loan with a lower interest rate. Fixed term. Pay off your debt with fixed monthly payments over a set term. 6.2. Balance transfer credit cards. Introductory offers. Transfer high-interest credit card balances to a card with a 0% introductory interest rate. Transfer fees. Be aware of any transfer fees that may apply. 7. Monitor your progress. 7.1. Monthly reviews. Budget review. Review your budget monthly to ensure you are staying on track. Debt reduction. Track your progress in reducing your overall debt. 7.2. Adjust as needed. Flexible approach. Adjust your plan as needed to accommodate changes in your financial situation. Stay motivated. Celebrate small victories and stay motivated to reach your long-term goals. 8. Seek professional help. 8.1. Credit counseling nonprofit agencies, work with nonprofit credit counseling agencies for professional advice and support. Debt management plans. Consider enrolling in a debt management plan offered by a credit counseling agency. 8.2 Financial advisors. Certified advisors. Consult with a certified financial advisor to create a comprehensive debt repayment plan. Personalized advice. Get personalized advice tailored to your specific financial situation. 9. Develop healthy financial habits. 9.1 Automatic payments. Avoid late fees. Set up automatic payments to ensure you never miss a due date. Consistency. Consistent payments improve your credit score over time. 9.2 Financial literacy education. Continuously educate yourself about personal finance through books, courses, and online resources. Community. Join financial literacy communities or support groups for ongoing learning and encouragement. Finally, creating a debt management plan in 2024 requires a thorough assessment of your financial situation, setting realistic goals, creating a budget, choosing a debt repayment strategy, negotiating with creditors, consolidating debt, monitoring progress, seeking professional help, and developing healthy financial habits. By following these steps, you can take control of your finances, reduce your debt, and work towards financial stability and freedom. Remember, the key to success is consistency, discipline, and a positive mindset. If you find value from this video, please like, share, and subscribe to the channel to get more information on financial freedom and wealth management. There are 2 videos that I prepared for you. These videos will add more value to your life. Click on one of them and watch to improve your wealth mindset.